Hey guys, Erica with a K here. Today's video is going to be on this super easy eyeshadow look that I have going on today. It is very glam, but very, very simple. Very simple. It's easier than it is to say very twice because I really struggled with that one. But anyway, it is on the Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon palette, and I also use the MAC Cosmetics liquid eyeshadow, which is just a really easy alternative to loose glitter or pressed glitter. I no longer use products like this. Just want to let you guys know, in case you guys are new here, my brand is cruelty-free, but I am doing the Project Pan where I'm trying to use up all products that are not cruelty-free and then I will not repurchase in the future. Please don't forget to like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Until next time, work hard, dream big, eat cake. Bye guys.